In this function, the function in terms of order pairs is given. We know that in order pairs, first elements in the function are belongs to the domain of that function. Second elements in the order pairs which are belongs to the codomain of the given function. Similarly, in the g function also, first elements in the order pairs are belongs to the domain of the g function. Similarly, second elements in the order pairs which are belongs to the codomain of the given g function. Okay, now we are going to find the composite functions. First we are going to check it, this is defined or not. We know that how to define the composite function. We know that second function codomain values which is subset are equals to the domain of the f function. Okay, na? That is only first function. Now what is the domain of the codomain of the g function? Codomain of the g function is 7531, which are subset of the f domain values. Yes, these two are actually all are in the same elements. Yes, these are the subset are equals to the these codomain values is subset are equals to the domain of this function. Then it is the defined function. Similarly, we can find this G circle of defined or not. See, this F codomain values are 2, 4, 6, 8, which are subset of the G domain values. Yes, 2, 4, 6, same elements. Same elements, we can say that those are the subset are equals to the domain of the G first function. Okay, it is also defined function. But when it is defined, first we have to find the domains and codomains for the given composite function. How to apply composite function domain value is this second function domain value. G domain values, you write it here. What are the G domain values? 2, 4, 6, 8. Then you can write this composite functions domain values are 2, 4, 6, 8. Then what about the second one? Codomain of the composite function f circle g is nothing but this f first function codomain value 1, 3 f circle g. What is the codomain values? These codomain values are the codomain of the function f. That is the meaning. So 2, 4, 6, 8 only. That's why you take the 2, 4, 6, 8. So in this way we can find the domain and codomains. Then f circle g finding is very important. Okay, how to find the f circle g order pairs? We know that in each order pair, what it meaning? Actually 1, 2 order pair is given, right, in the function. But it means f of 1 value is 2. This 2 is the image of 1. That is the meaning. Okay, this is the meaning. F of 1 value is 2. Similarly, f of 3 value is 4. F of 5 value is 6. F of 7 value is 8. Similarly, g of 2 value is 7. G of 4 value is 5. G of 6 value is 3. G of 8 value is 1. That's why this f function is applied to the input. Then you are getting the image value 2. Okay, so remember that one. First for first function is given f of 1 2, f of 3 is 4, f of 5 is 6. According to this one I am writing. Then f of 7 is 8. Okay, for f function. What about the g function? G of 2 is 7, g of 4 is 5. You this one. Then g of 6 is 3, g of 8 is 1. So according to this one I have written this one. According to this I have written this one. Okay, now I am going to find for this domain values, what are the corresponding order pairs? Compulsory you have to, for this input, what is the image values? I am going to find it. But you apply these images to this function. Okay, sorry, these domain values, each domain element which apply to the this composite function, then we are getting the order pairs. Okay, now first one, f circle g of 2. First input is, what is the first domain element? 2. I am applying the 2. Now you are going to apply now. If you remove this circle, place the bracket. In the bracket you write the g of function, g of 2. What is the g of 2 value? We know the g of 2 value is 7. Right? G of 2 value is 7, already written, right? Okay, now we can take it in place of g of 2, I can take 7 value in this way. Then what is the f of 7? See here, you say f of 7 is 8. I have written also f of 7 value is 8 value. Right? That's why our answer is 8. So for 2, we are having the order relation image value is 8. That's why see you written the 2 comma 8. Similarly, you can find the second domain element 4. 4. Now f of g of 4 you take the bracket, and g of 4 value check in the g function. So what is the 4 input value? Output 5. You can find 5. F of 5. Then we can check in the function f. F of 5 nothing but 6. That is the answer. See 4 comma 6. Like that you can find the f circle g of 6. Then how can write it? F of g of 6. You can check in the g function. This g of 6 is nothing but f3 value. Then what is the f of 3 value? You can check in the f function. That is the 4 value. So this is this one. Then last one. So f circle g of 8. I am going to find it. Now f circle of g of 8. So check it in the first g function. See, this is only. Now this is the f of 1. In the f of 1, what is the value? 2. This is only 2. So these values you can these values and these values you can check in here and here also. Otherwise you can check it in the given order pair function. Okay. So this 8 6 4 2, which is 2 is the pair with the 8 order pair. So 8 is the image of 2, 6 is the image of 4, 4 is the image of 6, 2 is the image of 8. In this way you can write the order pairs. So similarly, I already defined G circle is also well defined. Domain, codomain, how to find it you know already. So these are also we can find like this. In this method only you can apply. Okay, take the screenshot. You can try for the second one.